Welcome to another episode of The Epic Family Road Trip.
Good morning, it's Monday, November 9th, and we are staying at a place called Rath Trevor Provincial Park, and it's on the east side of Vancouver Island. And we just got up to watch the sun come up, but also we heard seals, and now I can see them. We came down here to see if there's seals because the tide is way out, and we could hear them bellowing because we're parked just inside that forest. If you take a look over there, the beauty of this park is it's right along the water, but it's also old growth forest. So it's spectacular in there. And we'll show you the size of some of the trees. But we were kind of scanning the beach here and didn't see any seals, but now I just looked out and I can see them kind of diving or jumping. There they are. There's a whole bunch of them out there. Not to mention a gorgeous sunrise, so we're gonna go back and get coffee, but man, you don't miss that. It's amazing how the ocean changes here. So we go from tons of waves or huge wind and massive waves to it being lapping right up on shore where we're standing. Now it's the tide's out and the wind's died down, and just check out it's almost like a still lake. Hardly a wave out there, no white caps. It's a beautiful thing. It's one of the beauties of being on the coast is it's ever changing and it's so dynamic. Every day you come down here and it's different. We walk along the beach, and when it's out like this, and you find all kinds of really neat shells, and it's fun to collect. So but Lando loves it no matter what it's doing. He just wants to chase the ball, doesn't he? You got your point on and ready to go. Let's go. Go get it, buddy.
Take that and bring it to the fire. Go. Go, Lenny, go.
Carol and Pete went into town with Vandy and were spotted by a couple of our YouTube followers, and we were able to meet with them. It was really nice. Darren came by to say hi, and then later on in the day, Derek came by with his really wicked cool Jeep with the rack and the tent and all that stuff, and gave us all kinds of pointers and gave us a map and showed us some places we can go camping in the wilderness here on Vancouver Island. Okay, and I think this one here, Northwest Bay, there's Craig Bay, Rath River Park. Do you have one of these? That one's yours. Really? Nice. Yeah, thank you. So that's another one there. And Horn Lake. Now, as you know, the biggest nemesis here on the island is gates.
Oh, yeah.
We all know that, eh?
You never know when you're going to
You
run into
pull in, oh great, you look at a map, there's a gate.
Yeah.
How do we get in? You know, so there's a lot of ways around here. Horn Lake, for instance, if you come off the highway, the inline highway, there's the coastal highway, and this will be the inline highway.
Yep.
If you go all the way down to Cook Creek, you can hit a service road that'll take you all through the Beaufort Range here.
Oh, yeah.
And it'll bring you out at the end. There's a campground here at the end of Horn Lake.
Okay.
It's absolutely beautiful through there.
And you're going between, like in the valley.
Yeah, you go right
this
into the
time you're
valley.
not
It's
gonna
a
do it.
logging road where there are no gates. You're able to go one. It's about.
Hey guys, tonight we're making some short ribs and some herb mashed potatoes and some green beans, and it's gonna be yummy, so I'm super excited. So I'm gonna let the short ribs sit in garlic, salt and pepper, and some beef broth for about an hour, maybe an hour and a half. And then the last half hour, I'll add the vegetables to it so that they're not all mushy. But yeah, oh, it already smells amazing. So it's kind of funny that we have the RV kitchen sitting right there, all warm and cozy inside, but I really enjoy cooking outside and cooking over fire or propane like this. I think it makes the food taste much better. What do you guys think?
You'll hear, while we're here with the motorhome, you're going to hear a generator in the background. We have a small little Honda generator that gives us power. We run it a couple times a day, charge up our Jackery power stations, but literally we haven't had enough sun. We get some sunny days, but not enough sun to actually charge them all the way up. So that's a consideration if you're going to be in a coastal area where you don't get tons of sunshine, especially this time of year. A generator comes in awful handy. Otherwise we wouldn't be able to charge our laptops and battery packs and cameras and all the stuff we have to charge. So yeah, and we're in a provincial park, which is just wild camping, so there's no plugins, of course. So something to consider. The little Hondas are really quiet, but there's all kinds of different brands out there available. That's just the one we have. Wow, thank you, my dear. Another masterpiece. Let us take a little nibble here. Wow. Let's try that rib. Let's just fall off the bone right there. That's so good. Well, guys, it's hope you enjoyed this video. This is the end of the video. We are heading out tomorrow on an excursion to the north part of the island. That's gonna be exciting. We're taking the Jeeps only, leaving the motorhome here. But nothing like ending the day with an absolutely delicious short rib dinner cooked on an open fire. Carol, thank you. We'll try that again. Carol, you rock. Oh, that's funny.
Here, Dan.
And in the meantime, we'll see you down the road.